Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML versus XHTML. And right now we'll be discussing about XHTML elements must be properly nested. In XHTML, elements must always be properly nested within each other like this. As you can see, this one is correct because we are having our opening and closing B tag. Inside it, we are having our opening and closing I italic tag, I tag, and some text inside it. But this other one is wrong. It's going to give you a wrong error. I'm going to show you how this works here. You can see our B tag is here. Instead of closing it with our B tag again, we are now mixing it with I tag. Our I tag is in between. So I'm going to show you how all this works now. Let's get back to our document so you can see what I'm trying to say. Like for instance now, we are having this hello world with our h1 tag and the b tag. So I'm going to do the same thing with our word, with our b and the I tag right here. So let's say for instance we are having b tag right here and we are having b tag. Let's say let me call it our b tag, our b element, and I'm going to call this I our I element. So this one now, firstly let's save it and reload our document. Can you see our B element is looking fine, and our I element is looking nice. So let's now pick this for instance we want our I element to be inside this our B element. So now let's place our I element inside our B element. This is nice. So let's reload our document. Can you see it's looking nice, right? We're having our I element inside our B element. So the thing I want to show you right here is that let's now say for instance, if you notice very well, we remove the text inside our B element and we place our I element with the content. So now let's now say for instance now we now carry this closing tag of our I element, we place it at the end of the B element. Now let's see what is going to happen. Can you see we are giving error, and as you can see the error alight the place where we are having the error, which is this B tag. And you can see check up here, XML passing error mismatched tag expected. Like this h1 tag is where the problem comes from. That is, the h1 here not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be at this place where the B tag is, and the B tag should be at the place where this I tag is. That's what is going on here. And this one is for location to show us the type of file we are writing right now. We are writing our file is at location file //c/ users vp desktop index.xhtml, and you can see the line number 11 colon 24, so and so on. As you can see, when you are reading this, when you look at this place, you are going to understand where the problem comes from easily. And also sometimes you can look at this one also, and it's also going to show you where the errors comes from. So this doesn't matter the I tag or B tag. Let's say for instance now we remove this we comment out this I tag. Now let's say for instance now we have this B tag. Now we now put span, all this element, all this thing. Now we remove it. We now write span element here. Inside this span element we place some text here. You are going to see our content is going to display nicely. Can you see it's displaying nicely? And now say for instance now we carry this span element, now by mistakenly we place it at the end of this B tag. It's going to show us the error. Can you see the span is having the error, and the line is line number 9 colon 34. Sometimes this one may not be correct. Just look at this one very well so you can know the main thing that is causing the issue. And sometimes this one also will be correct, like this one now, line number 9. Let me check my line number 9. As you can see, this is line number 9, as you can see. So and also let me check line number 9 column what, column 34. Let's say for instance now we want to count all these things: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You understand, up to 34, where the problem comes from. As you can see, definitely this thing now is around this column. I can't be counting all this because this tutorial is going to get too long, so that's what I'm trying to tell you right here. That's this is what I want to show you guys for now. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great